Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again in Nepean River. Ayan, I always video around here, this river. We're going for a walk here at meron silang pato. Ang daming pato, ducks. There's so many ducks. And that's all the houses here near the river. They're very big houses and they're very expensive. Look at the ducks. Hello, ducks. You're not going for a swim? It's too cold. Huh? Look, they're all going in one way. Permini na ako ipakita sa ako ang video. Kay dire ko magsigig lakaw-lakaw. We are going for a walk today. Kasi wala na tayong exercise. But it's still very cold. Even though it's sunny, the sun is out, it's still very cold. Kasi winter. Ayan. Look at that. It's very calm. The water is calm. Kalma. Oh, meron silang swing dito, oh. Ayan. May swing sila dito. There's some ducks there. And that's the highway. That's the M4. It's a beautiful day for a walk. Dugay-dugay na ta wala naka-walking. Dool ra ni sa amua mga 10 minutos pag-drive. Ayan ang mga birds. Oh, gusto sila maglangoy-langoy na sa tubig. Ayan. Oh, look at them. Oh, they are not ducks. They are birds. Nilangoy na sila. Kadaghan og mga birds po and ducks po. They're birds. Kaingno nako ducks. They are birds pala. Some people will go for fishing here. Yan ang M4 motorway. Kanang sa taas. Karsada na siya, highway na siya. Kung kusog ang ulan guys, mutubo ang tubig dire. Samahan niyo ako guys, mag-walking tayo. Dugay-dugay na tawa ka walking. Samahan niyo ako. Ayan guys, nasa ilalom na ta sa bridge. Ilalom na ta sa bridge, which is that's the highway. Ayan guys, ang bridge. That's the highway going to the Blue Mountains or going to the city. Ayan. M4. Let's go, continue walking. It's beautiful to walk here next to the river and it's a beautiful day. Perfect for walking. Yan guys, may nagwo-walking din sa bridge. Guys, look at that, oh, nag-flooding. Di ta maka-walk diha sa ubos kay nag-flood. So, dire lang ta sa taas mag-walking. Yan guys, mag-walking tayo today kasi dugay na ta walay walking. Wala na tayong exercise. Yan, samahan niyo ako mag-walking. Kumusta naman mo mga bay? Kumusta na mo guys? Shout out pala ako sa team ko. Sa team. Shout out ako sa WH Vloggers team. Naay nang isda diri, oh. na nang isda. Daghan may mga isda diri good. O nakakuha siya o na siya isda nga nakuha o. Kasagara nga makuha og isda diri kay carp. Ambuton sana sa ato Tawag nila diri kay carp. Nara guys ang highway ang M4, the bridge. Permi na mamukakitaan ni nga park god kay permi ko moari diri kay maglakaw-lakaw ko diri dapita. O nindot mo diri maglingkod-lingkod mag tinghaya nyan nagtanaw og sunset. Ayan, nindot ang sunset diri mahapon. Una ay mga kuan of flowers, kangaroo po flowers. Ayan, nindot ang sunset diri. Og sa ilahang park guys, naa sila'y toilet. Og na ay coffee club diha if you want coffee. Di na ay restaurants and cafes diha dapita. So you can have dinner, lunch, breakfast. Daghan mag-picnic here during weekends. Nandoon yung bagong restaurant. Daming restaurant and cafes dito malapit sa river. Ayan, during weekend ang daming tao dito mag-barbecue, mag-picnic. Wala na ay mga trees Meron din silang mga park guys, playground. Meron silang playground. Puno diri guys kung weekend, puno kaayo ni diri. Especially maayo ang panahon. Puno kaayo ni diri guys. It's a nice place to come and have a picnic and a barbecue with family and friends. Na sila garbage para to keep the park clean. Daghan man mag-walking diri guys. Even weekdays, daghan mag-walking. Guys, daghan mag-date-date diri guys. Daghan mag-date-date, man naman nag-uyab, man nagkabit, diri mag-date-date. Nindot mo gud ni nga park. Kay naara dool sa cafe, restaurants. Nya, hayahay ba? Fresh air. O niya, dool sa tubig. Guys, look at the trees. Look at the trees. Winter na. Skeleton na ang mga trees. Winter naman. That's a mulberry bush. That's a mulberry bush. May video ako nito before.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Meron silang log cabin dito na pwede kayong kumain. It's a cafe and restaurant here. This is new. O, diba ang daming restaurants and cafe dito? Hindi kayo magugutom. Ayan. So that's the Yanday Nepean Crossing. This is the one. Nakita ninyo ito sa aking mga vlogs. Yan ang cafes and restaurant, the log cabin.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So guys, we are going to cross the river now to go to the other side. That's the Victoria Bridge. Ayan, this is the Yanday Nepean Crossing. That's the Nepean River. Nanggaling tayo doon guys, where the bridge to the M4. Yan. Nanggaling tayo doon, di ba? So malayo yung narating natin. That's the other bridge. That's the Victoria Bridge. Ayan, that's the old bridge. Ayan guys, malaki ngayon ang tubig kasi umuulan. O girelease nila ang tubig sa dam. So niabot diri. Doon tayo nanggaling guys sa yung nakita ninyong bridge doon sa malayo. Diba doon tayo nanggaling. We are going on the other side na. The other side of the river.